Hello guys, Diogo the Program here, yet with another video on this Python RPG video series. So in the last video we was doing navigation stuff, and I came to a realization, guess what? We don't need a pos facing, let's get rid of that. So I'm getting rid of that, and we're redoing this. Well, we're just removing that, and we're redoing this part over here, just a small part. So what we're going to say over here instead is we're just going to say over here, if you want to move forwards, right, here's your new pos x then. It's not even pos x, is it? It's pos y. Oh my god, I'm gonna get grilled in the comments about that. Check movement. New pos y. So actually I need to reorder this. This needs to go here. And this needs to become pos x. And this needs to become new pos y. Right? Then over here, yes, we check over here. Okay, can you do that? We check, is it less than? Boom. If so, it does this. So great. Else if action input, I'm just copy this. Time for just copy that. Let's change this to an else if it's go east or e, then it's new pos x, and it's pos x, and yes, that would be +1. Next up, what we have here is we're going to have else if in go south, and s. And then I'm going to have here is pos y, which is pos y plus -1, because we're getting southwards. That means we're going to copy this, and we're going to do that, and we're going to say over here new pos y. I'm going to say that we want the original pos x. I'm going to say over here lastly is the else if over here. This else if will be go west, and w. What I'm going to say over here is that's going to be x, that's going to be x, and that's going to be yes, equal -1. That's correct. This is going to be, just swap these around is what I have to do. Swap these about new pos x, comma, my pos y. Okay. So then check the movements, and then I want, request that action. How many times again? Let's put this in a while loop. Yeah. Just request the action all the time. What I've just realised. You probably want to put into this while loop, actually. Because we don't actually want to create the character all the time, to be honest. But for now, we're just going to leave it once, and we'll see. Then I'll go through that again to try and get that all working nicely. So request action does this. Okay. Of course, then what I want you to actually print out, the myplayer.posx, myplayer. Oh, don't you have get location? You do have get location, which I'm sure is just X and Y, I believe. Control F5. What? What errors? I do not know what you're talking about. Right? What errors? What errors? What's this? What's this nonsense? Are you satisfied now? play. Assassin. Right, we've got dot set location. Okay, set location has an issue. That's because I probably haven't changed this. Play. Warrior. There's nothing to see here. Where would you like to go? So if we put N. Okay, we get that. Interesting. Thank you for that. It doesn't give us, so get location returns us with this. What if we were to returns a string? It just returns us. So probably don't want to use that actually. So yeah, let's just for now. Let's just do this for now. My player dot pos one. Okay, let's just do that for now. So I want to see this in action. I want to see this working. Diego, Monk, N. Oops, I just removed that. Let's try that again. Play. Diego, Monk, N. So what was that before? 16. That went to 1. Okay. Oh. Oh. It went to 1 because okay, I know what the bug is. I can just say plus equal over here. And if it's -1, you know, plus equal -1, which is -1. Play. Yeah, because we just hold on. Let me make sure this is correct. New pause will equal to the current pause. Ooh. I need to actually check this. Is this true? Hold on. Before I did that. Oh, I might be wrong on this actually. Mage. N. 1. Why is it 1? I'm saying my player dot. Interesting. Why is it 1 then? New pause is equal to player pause. Oh my god. I'm so silly. So silly, aren't I? I'm absolutely silly. I'm absolutely silly. There we go. That should resolve everything. Right? N. There we go. 16, 17. Okay, that's fixed now. So let's say you were in, let's get this over here. I was in yeah, let's say if I was over here at 32. So it's right up north. And I'm trying to go north again. Joe. And Mage. N. 1632. It didn't move. As you can see, it still remained at 1632. Cool. So so I think that all works, right? All works. Of course, what needs to happen is we need to move this over here into this while loop somehow. It's in this. We're going to clear the screen. We're going to do this. I'm going to do this. Well, I could just put this all in here. Right? I could just put it all in here, right? So always looping until the game's over. So always this looping. But then that means it's creating, you know, player multiple times. Monk. Because with this right, it will do the request action, but then it will go back to the clear screen and create a new player. I don't want that. So one way, I guess, would be to after doing this action, request another action. Request action again. That will get stuck into a loop of requesting actions. But yeah, also actually want to print this actually out. That's why. I guess that's what you always do, right? You always request an action. So maybe it's fine. Maybe. Play. Hugo, mage, N, N, M, N, 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 N. We'll just go north. Stopped at 31. Oh, because it's from 0, isn't it? So I put 32, that was wrong in the file. I put 32, but of course I didn't correct it because I haven't put anything in my code to correct that. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should, when loading, check to see. I don't know. Maybe I should come in and check to see that, you know, the player on X and Y cannot be greater than the player or less than the world X and world Y. Let's then move east. As you can see, it then moves east. Then if we go west, we're then going back west. We can then move south, 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 right? All works nicely. Good, 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 good. So, join your quest action. Let's then clear the screen, actually. What happens if I then call the clear screen? Nothing. It's not clearing the screen. Because it's not even, because it's never getting to this part. That's why. Ah. Oh my god. Clear screen. North. Boom. So yeah. Probably want to put some more text. Oh, you have moved northwards, or something like that. I think what else? What else? So yeah. So currently, I've got so many command prompts over here opened up. Come on. So currently there's no introductory text, nor do we have any enemies or anything like that. We may wish to set up some, so we may wish to create some enemies, or no, just randomize, just create some enemies, or well, they don't have to be enemies. I keep on calling them enemies, but they don't have to be enemies. Let's get rid of this for now. Don't need that. So we could also improve here the main interface. Could work on that. All this interface could just be all improved. You can also colorize this as well. You can actually colorize console stuff. So yeah, you may wish to actually put the options on, or north, you know, go north or something like that. You may wish to do that. So yeah, but that would be for this video. In the next video, I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do one of the things I've just mentioned. If you cannot wait for that, and you want to know when that video will come out, subscribe so it's there on your feed, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.